Today we are going to introduce WIWU Airbuds 3rd generation, but before we start, please subscribe our channel and hit bell notification icon for upcoming review videos. Open the box of WIWU Airbuds 3SA. There is a paper film inside the box to protect the earphones, with the words hello printed in multiple languages. After removal the paper film you will find charging case including earphones, earphone protective cover, charging cable, a user manual. First, let's take a look at the WIWU Airbuds 3SE charging case. The charging case is a bit similar to a square design. The charging case has advantage of using the lightning charging interface, so that you can take an Apple mobile phone's charging cable and charge it. And it can still support wireless charging, which is very convenient. The design of WIWU Airbuds 3SE earphones is slightly shorter, not only guarantees the comfort of wearing, but also improves the appearance of wearing it to a higher level. In terms of configuration, WIWU Airbuds 3SE uses a Bluetooth 5.1 chip. It can also ensure a stable connection at a distance of 10 meters without any disconnection. WIWU Airbuds 3SE supports single earphone and dual earphone mode, free switching, fast connection. The WIWU Airbuds 3SE is also equipped with a Hall switch and it will automatically connect to the mobile phone. The control of WIWU Airbuds 3SE will provide you the control of previous or next, answer or hang up calls, and wake up the Siri voice assistants by pinching the handle of the headset. WIWU Airbuds 3SE adopts a design style that is shorter. The advantage of this design is that the sound can be subtly delivered to the wearer's ears, and it can also prevent sound leakage, which is more important when listening to songs. WIWU Airbuds 3SE True Wireless headphones have a single battery life of about 6 hours. The charging case is equipped with a large battery capacity of 240 mAh, and the battery life can reach 30 hours when used with the charging case. So, this was today's review. Hope you like it. Product purchase link is mentioned in the description. Please visit, and before leaving, please subscribe our channel and hit bell notification icon for more videos.